Alright, so today, you and one or two max other people are going to be playing an order of operations slash solving expressions game. Your instructions are here. So you're gonna get a dice and then you're gonna get a baggie, which once we're done with this, you guys will just put your dice inside of the little baggie, that way I don't have to collect them and pass them out. So you're gonna shuffle the cards and then place them face down. Player one rolls the dice, so the number rolled is the number of cards drawn. So if you roll a 4, you pull out 4 of these cards. Player one arranges the cards into an expression and evaluates the expression. So if I did 4, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so I then flip them over. And I'm like, okay. I put them in order. And then I have to solve. Okay, so you have order of operation and then obviously solving the expression. So I'd go through and I'd do PEMDAS, so no parentheses, no exponents. Then I would do multiplication or division. Calculus is all for negative 10 divided by, so it'd be 10 divided by 3 is like what? 3 point,
7.
no, 3 point,
Isn't it 3?
I don't know. I'm not doing the math, but you get the point. So player one does the work, and then player two, you're also doing the work, or player three, if there's a group of 3. That everybody is doing the work for the problem. And you can arrange them however you want to make it maybe work a little bit better. That's completely up to you. Okay? If correct, the player gains the amount of points as the answer for the expression. So, if you end up with a negative answer, you get negative points. But if you end up with a really big answer, you get a whole lot of points. So like if your answer is like 725, you get 725 points.
Wait, so
That's a lot.
Wait, so is it 7? Is that like the answer?
No, 7 is multiplied. So you
Oh, that's
times
the
7.
multiplier?
Yes.
I know.
All right, shh. And it gives you the example, if it was evaluated as 32, you gain 32 points. All right, if player one was incorrect, player two gains the points. All right, so like if player 2 and 3 check your work and they're like, yeah, that's wrong, and they both get a different answer than you, then you don't get those points, but they do. Okay? And then the player with the most points at the end wins. Okay? Yes, ma'am.
If everyone in the group got a different answer, would you just use a calculator to confirm which answer is correct?
Sure. That works. Because there's no answer key because you never know what you're drawing.
Yeah.
So, I mean, if you guys are just like, if everybody in the group is like, I got a different answer, and everyone in the group does a problem on the calculator and you still get a different answer, then come and see me and we'll figure it out. Okay? I'll even give each like pair a calculator for you to check. But you can't use the calculator to do the work. So in your notebook, you should still have your problems. But if you want to have a calculator to check, because you might end up with some negative numbers, and I know we haven't talked about those yet. Okay? Good suggestion, I like that. All right, any questions about the game itself? Yes?
So for the negative number ones?
It's not necessarily negative numbers, it's subtract. But it just depends on where or how it falls. Because that was minus 10, but if, again, you're doing order of operation, but you might end up with 4 minus 10, which gives you a negative 6.
So you get negative 6 points?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
So, if you get a problem that has a negative answer and you get it wrong, does that mean that the other person has their points subtracted?
Technically, yes.
So what if you purposely get it wrong?
Then obviously that's not the point of the game. The point of the game is to get it right. Like whether it's negative or positive, like you want to get it right. Any questions about this? Again, you can work in groups of 2 or 3, depending on, let me grab some dice real quick and a calculator so I can pass these all out. Alright, so get with your group or partner and then send one person up here.
This is the week for my
And then you can just put everything back in the bag. Watch the iPad, watch the iPad. Okay, dice and calculator, just put everything back in the bag when you guys are done. And then I think you just drop something. Just gonna make it. That'd be bad. Real bad. Dice and calculator are in there. Just go in order. I shouldn't hear noises. Join the group. Even if you're a group of four, if you want to join the girls with their hand. Hey, Delilah's gonna join you guys. It's okay that you have a group of four.
I just need packet codes.
There you go. Put everything back in there.
I need the same thing.
No, guys, I got the stuff. Yeah, I got it.
Alright. There you go. Put everything back in the bag. Alright, anybody else need a bag or a dice or a calculator?
Mine's no